Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete friends on Monopoly Go. So basically, open up your Monopoly Go app as you can see on your screen. And now here, you just need to tap on the friends icon right here at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then it will open up your friends and family. Here you will find add friends, timeline, and leaderboard tab. So all you need to do is go to leaderboard tab, and here you have three options: global, we have here global, and then locals and friends. So go to friends, and then you just need to find your friend that you want to remove or delete. So for example, this account, so tap on that, then tap on remove button. As you can see, do you want to remove this account as a friend? So just tap on that remove button and it will be deleted on your friends list. So that's how you basically delete friends on Monopoly Go. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.